Hello everyone. If you are looking MBBS in Russia, then this video is for you. आज हम बात करेंगे one of the famous government university which is very much near to Moscow, Yaroslav State Medical University. Personally, I have visited, met so many students. So here we'll be having a detailed overview about the city as such, population because it helps in the clinical exposure, about the university year of establishment and the connectivity from India, hostel facilities, especially the budget, accreditations. So everything will be covered in this video. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So, as the name suggests, it is located in Yaroslav city. It is a beautiful historic city with a population somewhere around 6 lakhs. So, आप लोग का mid-sized city है, but have a good population where the clinical exposure will be better over here. And it is very much near to Moscow. Moscow say near to 280 kilometers far away. So transportation also, we took a train which has taken us around 3.5 hours to reach from Moscow. So you have bus facility or train, you can opt that and you can reach the university. And it is a government university which has been established in 1944. So pretty old, and they have experience in handling various Indian students as well as international students. क्योंकि आज का डेट में more than 4,000 students, international students, and overall university strength है for entire 6 years. And particularly Indian students हर साल they take only 350 students. Unlike there are various universities जहाँ आपको intake 1000 के ऊपर चल जाता है. Even third year, fourth year the student used to face the restitution issue and all. So here they scrutinize, they have their own limit, they will not take more than that, and they take through the interview process everything. It has more than 500 faculties, in fact 55 departments होता है. So it is very famous for the clinical exposure as well as research based university. And recognition, that is more important. So it is NMC recognized, WHO listed, so you can practice anywhere in the world after completing your MBBS, even ECFMG, so you can appear for USMLE, PLAB deke UK jaake you can clear your masters also if you wish. And when we talk about the hostel facilities, it has 5 hostels, which is government hostel is near to the campus. Frankly speaking, first year usually the students has been allotted for the private hostel, and second year onwards the student used to apply over there. So whoever apply first come first serve basis में उन लोग को government hostel मिल जाता है. And you have the double sharing, triple sharing facility. And I have interacted so many students in hostel also. They are very happy with the environment and especially the quality of the education. And they have the sports facilities also, extracurricular activities, various clubs and all. So the student doesn't miss the home feeling. They used to celebrate the Diwali, be it Pongal, or South Indian, North Indian, Sara celebration, Holi celebration, everything happens over there. Next important point is budget. It is more budget friendly option in Russia because tuition fees आप लोग का 3.5 लाख पूरा साल का है, plus hostel charges. Hostel charges always varies. If you are getting a government hostel, it will cost you hardly 18,000 to 20,000 ruble. As I mentioned, first year आप लोग का private hostel होता है, it can goes between 60,000 ruble to even 1,20,000 ruble per year. It totally depends at what time you are applying and which hostel you are being allocated. Accordingly, it will be changing. So overall, when I talk about tuition fees over your hostel and your medical insurance, all those stuffs, it comes around hardly 25 lakhs for your entire 6 year duration. And जो भी कॉलेज आप लोग ऑप्ट कर रहे हैं, लिविंग एक्सपेंस एक होगा. लिविंग एक्सपेंस इट हार्डली टेक्स समवेयर अराउंड 8 to 10 lakhs. I always tell my students ऐड कर लेना बजट में. And it also varies from student to student, depends on how lavishly they are living. So मेरे कंक्लूजन ये है, यारोस्लाव स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी इज affordable, safe, student friendly and globally recognized degree. So it's a best choice in Russia. So if you are looking for any guidance in MBBS abroad, be it in Russia और कोई भी other countries में भी आप लोग का confusion है जहाँ NMC guidelines proper हो रहा है और नहीं. So these kind of information you need, you can book a free counseling. Just comment in our comment section, or हमारा number already it's been popping out in below. You can connect with us. We will be giving a profile based analysis for you. Thanks for watching the video till the end.